I'm looking over there. All right. So the property we have here that we haven't discussed is called the power rule. Anything raised to a power is what?
Oh, we already talked about the power rule.
We haven't. We talked about negative power rule. Something raised to a power, what happens?
It's multiplied x.
Repeated multiplication. And so therefore, the process of power rule is multiplication. The process of quotient rule is subtraction. Okay, we haven't gotten a product rule yet. We will hopefully in one of the questions you ask. And so, this whole thing inside the parentheses is raised to the negative 1 power. There are different ways you can do this. To me, I'm going to follow order of operations. So this would fall under exponents. Parentheses, anything inside, there's nothing I can do. So now I go to exponents, and this is all raised to an exponent. And so we're going to take that exponent, and we're going to distribute it to everything inside those parentheses. And so this becomes 2 to the negative 1. 4 times negative 1 is negative 4. And y, which is negative 3 times negative 1, becomes positive 3. Okay, so the power rule says if I have x to the a, and that whole thing is raised to the b power, power rule is repeated multiplication, so this is x to the a times b. All right? Now we have negative power rule showing up. Negative power rule says that if anything raised to a negative power, it goes to the denominator or it flips and becomes positive. And so the only one that's going to remain up top is y to the third, and then my 2 to the first power goes to the bottom, and my x to the negative 4 goes to the bottom and becomes x to the positive 4. And there's my final answer.